Alright, just in. UN Secretary General uses rare and most powerful tool to avert humanitarian catastrophe in Gaza. UN Secretary General Guterres invokes Article 99 of the UN Charter for the first time. This allows him to bring to the attention of the Security Council any matter which is, in his opinion, may threaten the maintenance of international peace and security. Article 99 is the UN code word for an exceptionally urgent situation. Guterres later, since the start of Israel's military operation, more than 15,000 people have reportedly been killed, over 40% of them children. Thousands of others have been injured, more than half of all homes have been destroyed. I've just invoked Act 99 of the UN Charter for the first time in my tenure as Secretary General. We are facing a severe risk of collapse of the humanitarian system. The international community has a responsibility to use its influence to prevent further escalation and end this crisis. I urge the members of the Security Council to press to avert a humanitarian catastrophe. I reiterate my appeal for a humanitarian ceasefire to be declared. This is urgent. This message is from the UN Secretary General. The UN Article 99 explained implications and actions. The UN Secretary General's invocations of Act 99 of the UN Charter marks a significant moment, highlighting the dire situation in Gaza. This article allows the Secretary General to proactively bring issues that may threaten global peace and security to the Security Council's attention. The invocation could lead to several actions, setting a precedent. This first time used under the current Secretary General set a precedent for addressing future global crises. Urgent Security Council meetings. It may prompt immediate high-level discussion within the Security Council, focusing global attention on Gaza. Mobilizing international response. The move can galvanize international effort leading to humanitarian aid or peacekeeping interventions. Diplomatic pressure. It might exert pressure on key stakeholders to negotiate and collaborate towards a ceasefire or longer-term solution. This decisive step signifies the Secretary General's commitment to addressing escalating situations before they turn into larger conflict, embodying the proactive peacekeeping role of the UN. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thank you very much.